Okay, welcome back. Let's do the practical together, all right? Like I talk about calibration. I don't know if you will see this, but this bucket, if you're regular with it, you know that this bucket has numbers on them. So here we have this is 3 liters here. All right. So remember we're doing 3 liters, 25, 250 grams or ml. Sorry, water is measured in ml. Then this water, this cup now is 250 ml, which is the one cup. We're adding it to this 3 liters, so make it a complete 250 ml. Did I say gram before? Water is measured in the in ml, milliliters. All right. Okay, so we've gotten this. All right. These are our milk. This is the bowl we're using for fermentation. You can choose to add water before you add your milk, or your milk before water. Either ways is fine. Just get the accurate measurement and you're good to go. So this is the hot water, the 1750 grams of ml of water, hot water. Put it as well and mix very well. At this point, if you put your thermometer and check, you will see that it's between 47, 45 and 47, and it is okay. This is the time your cheesecloth or this comes in. Remember I told you to get a cheesecloth, or you get this because you must sieve. Reason is you might be able to get some particles, and milk has particles, powdered milk has particles, or the ones that did not dissolve properly, you'll be able to get them. So when you get your cheesecloth or you get this, you'll be able to sieve it well. So I'm going to use this culture because I am doing commercial use. All right, this one is called freeze culture. You should always put it in the freezer. This is 1/8 tablespoon. I believe you are saying it right. Here is it. Put in a cup. Scoop some milk. Reduce it back. It's ready. We're going to incubate it for 12 hours. By 12 hours, we're going to come back and show you the outcome of our mother culture. All right. Okay, so let's go and incubate it. So we're going to cover it properly. Keep it in a place that this material is strictly for this production, right? So we're going to cover it. You need to have a very warm place in your house. You can use your oven, but before you put in your oven, you must wrap it properly first. So I have a duvet I bought for this for yogurt production. Strictly, like I said, whatever it is you want to use for your production should be for it and it alone. All right. I'm going to put it in the duvet and we'll be back after 12 hours to see how it is. So this is after 12 hours. Let's see how it is. One of the things that will make you to know that your yogurt is fermenting well is that when you start opening it, you still feel that warm nature. All right. So let's check out how it is. This is our mother culture. You see how it is. This is how your mother culture should be. Now our mother culture is ready. At this point, all you need to do is to take it to your fridge and leave it there. Whenever you want to make another batch of yogurt, you just take the quantity you need and you start making your yogurt. All right, our mother culture is ready. This is 5 liters of mother culture and it's ready. Okay, you see how it is. Let me show you how the mother culture is after a few hours in the fridge or freezer. These are mother culture. See how thick it is.